Okay, guys, this is a very special mail call. So you guys know I've been doing a sticker thing, trying to get stickers, all the guys I watch and all that. So we got some stickers in from Brent over at ATRC Adventure Time. Came with a box, so well, let's just look at it. So he knows he knows that I run with my daughter, and he knows I'm doing my WLs or my WPLs, and he was nice enough to send me these. Not even sure what to say. My daughter was pretty moved as well. So, anyways, let's take a closer look at these. I'll get the box out of the way. Brent, I don't even know what to say, my friend. I don't even know what to say. Well, I promise you, I will get footage out as soon as possible. My daughter's excited too. She was asking me if we can get them charged up tonight, so I'm gonna go through them, make sure I know what the heck I'm doing, and we're gonna get them out. He even gave me drivers, so I'm just pretty speechless right now. It's been a really good year so far. I mean, we get things ready for my mother to move in. That's what all that building materials are for. And then to have something like this happen. I don't know what to say. Anyways, thank you. Thank you very much. Not worthy. I'm definitely not worthy. I appreciate this very much. My daughter's been bugging me to start crawling for months now. That was what our WPL was all about. Get one so that we can get running. So, but we're going to get running. Running sooner than later. So, anyways, back to stickers. All right. So, we'll get him on there. Probably put him right on top of all those merch stickers. Right there looks good. Yeah. Let's see where the best advantage is. Yeah, I think that's going to be a good spot. Right about there. Yep, I think so. Again, I don't even know. I don't have the words. I don't have the words. Thank you. Those are the words. Thank you. Thank you very much. For my whole family, because that's going to be hours of footage. You guys are going to see a lot more of this kind of stuff. I started my crawler track, so this is the motivation to finish it. I want to thank you again. Now, these things are the, if I'm not mistaken, there's the MN90 and the MN45. So we'll get them charged and get them going. I think they even battery cases. I don't know. I have to look up on them. I don't want nothing to break. I'll just wait and look through it. Oh. Well, let me read the note. So he says, "Hey, bro. So you're doing some WPL. Well, here are MND90 and MN45. Hope you enjoy. And thanks for watching my videos." Well, thank you. Thank you. All right, that's enough. I'm gonna get all goofy and sappy. So, anyways, can you believe that, guys? I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. truly appreciate it, my brother. Truly. Before I go, let's take a closer look at these. Just awesome. Plain old awesome.